Story: Spider and the Ant.
जिंदगी शम्मा की सूरत हो खुदाया मेरी जिंदगी शम्मा की सूरत हो खुदाया मेरी
Once upon a time, there was a brave ant. He was very proud of his bravery. His work was to clear paths for the ants collecting food. One day, while clearing a path for the other ants, he came upon a spider that had weaved a web in their usual path. The ant became very angry by seeing the web. He walked up to the spider and declared, "I am the bravest of all ants. Flee from this path and move your web." The spider refused to do so. He replied calmly, "My web is very small, and this place is a perfect spot for me to catch bugs. Also, the sun rays fall here, so I will stay warm. Let me stay here, and I will not harm you."
जिस तरह फूल से होती है चमन की ज़ीना
The ant warned the spider to act upon his order or face the consequences. The spider sighed and said, "If you decide to pour your wrath upon me, then it will end poorly." The ant didn't listen to the spider and jumped towards him. The spider quickly snatched the ant from the air and began wrapping him in his webbing. Due to the arrogance and impatient behavior he was trapped, the spider made him the first meal in his new home.
शम्मा से हो मुझको मोहब्बत यारा वो मेरा काम गरीबों की हिमायत
Moral: Pride hath a fall.